Forget the tourist traps of Venice and chaos of Rome. Tucked away at the foot of the Italian Alps is a city that feels like a fairy tale. Welcome to Trento, the ultimate getaway to the Dolomites. Here you can wander through 700-year-old painted castles in the morning and stand behind a thundering 16th century waterfall by the afternoon. From the green magic of its world-famous Christmas markets to hidden canyons carved into red rock, we're counting down 6 bucket list experiences in Trento and beyond that you absolutely cannot miss. Let's head to the mountains. Number 6. Castello del Buonconsiglio. Standing tall over the city of Trento, the Castello del Buonconsiglio isn't just a castle, it's a massive architectural puzzle that's been growing since the 13th century. It served as the powerhouse for the prince bishops for over 500 years, and walking through its gates feels like stepping into a blend of medieval grit and Renaissance luxury. The absolute showstopper here is the Eagle Tower. Inside, you will find the Cycle of the Months, a series of 14th century frescoes that are basically a medieval Instagram feed. They show knights snowballing in winter and peasants harvesting grapes in the sun, giving you a rare, colorful look at life in the Alps 700 years ago. Whether you're wandering the elegant loggia with its killer views of the Dolomites or exploring the moody Castelvecchio courtyard, this place is a masterclass in Italian history. It's sophisticated, slightly mysterious, and easily one of the most underrated stops in northern Italy. Number 5. Mercatino di Natale. If you're looking for the ultimate Christmas postcard, the Mercatino di Natale in Trento is where the magic actually happens. Set against the backdrop of the snow-capped Dolomites, this isn't just a market. It's a century-old alpine tradition spread across the historic Piazza Fiera and Piazza Cesare Battisti. Nearly 100 wooden huts create a glowing village that smells like cinnamon, roasted chestnuts, and wood smoke. What makes Trento special is the focus on green authenticity. You won't find mass-produced plastic here. It's all about hand-carved wooden sculptures, boiled wool slippers, and delicate lace from the surrounding valleys. But let's be real, the food is the main event. You have to grab a tortelle di patate, a crispy potato pancake, and a steaming mug of parampampoli, a local fire drink made of coffee, grape, and honey. Whether you're wandering under the fairy lights or warming your hands by a fire pit, it's a cozy, high-energy slice of Italian winter at its absolute best. Number 4. Basilica of Santa Maria Maggiore. Standing in the heart of Rome, the Papal Basilica of St. Mary Maggiore is one of those rare places where you can actually feel the weight of nearly 1600 years of history. It is the only major basilica in the city that managed to keep its original 5th century core, which is basically a miracle given Rome's chaotic past. As soon as you walk in, the first thing that hits you is the gold. The coffered ceiling is massive and glittering. Legend says it was glided with the very first gold brought back from the Americas. But the real treasure is further down. Under the high altar, there is a crystal reliquary containing wood said to be from the Holy Crib of Jesus. Whether you're there for the faith, the incredible mosaics, or to find the surprisingly humble tomb of the artist Bernini, the energy is undeniable. It's grand, it's golden, and it's a must-see for any Roman adventure. Number 3. Giardini di Piazza Dante. Just outside the Trento train station, you'll find the Giardini di Piazza Dante, a beautifully manicured getaway that feels more like a real estate than a typical city park. It's the perfect place to catch your breath and transition from the rush of travel into the laid-back pace of the Italian Alps. The park is defined by its wide, symmetrical gravel paths, colorful flower beds, and ancient trees that offer plenty of shades on a sunny day. The absolute focal point here is the massive monument to Dante Alighieri. It's not just a statue, it's a tiered masterpiece representing the 3 realms of this divine comedy: hell, purgatory, and paradise. Whether you're stopping to admire the bronze craftsmanship or just sitting by the central stone pond to watch the local life drift by, the energy here is sophisticated yet calm. It's a refined green introduction to Trento, that proves even the walk from the station can be a world-class experience. Number 2. Orrido di Ponte Alto. Hidden just a few minutes from the center of Trento, the Orrido di Ponte Alto is a breathtaking natural canyon carved by the Fersina River over thousands of years. It's famous for two massive waterfalls that plunge through deep red rocks into a narrow, misty gorge. This isn't just a nature hike, it's a masterclass in 16th century engineering. The stone dams here are some of the oldest in the world, originally built to protect the city from massive floods. To see it, you'll wind down a series of secure stone staircases that lead you right behind the thundering water. The air gets cold, the sound is deafening, and the spray is incredibly refreshing. Because it's a protected site, you can only visit with a guide, which actually makes the experience feel much more exclusive and intimate. It's rugged, powerful, and easily one of the most cinematic hidden gems in northern Italy. Number 1. Rovereto. Rovereto is a beautiful town in northern Italy set in the scenic Adige Valley and surrounded by alpine landscape. Known as a city of peace, Rovereto blends rich history with a strong cultural identity and calm, elegant atmosphere. One of its main highlights is the Castello di Rovereto, home to the Italian War History Museum, which tells powerful stories of World War I in this border region. Nearby stands the Bell of the Fallen, a massive bell that rings every evening in memory of fallen soldiers, symbolizing peace and remembrance. Art lovers can visit Mart Museum, one of Italy's leading modern and contemporary art museums. The historic center invites visitors to stroll through charming streets, lively piazzas, and cozy cafes. With its mix of history, art, and mountain scenery, and its proximity to the Lake Garda, Rovereto offers a peaceful yet enriching travel experience.